एक बार बेबे selfish होके अपने लिए जियो ना एक बार बेबे selfish होके अपने लिए जियो ना That's a good advice for everyone, I think.
तुम बुलाओ ना भाई
Hello, hi.
बस बस अरे बस ना अरे बस
मैडम जी यहाँ पे फोटो हाँ
बड़ी गई है राइट देने को हाँ तो गई
I think it's
तो बहुत गई है बहुत गई है राइट देने को
मैम यहाँ पे लेट में फुल लेट
thing, no? Long time.
Mirchi Music Award. So how are you excited today and what did you say about
Yes, I'm very excited because after 1 year, I'm attending one big event, Mirchi Awards, and I'm very excited because it's about music, and I love music. It's part of my life. So I'm going to meet so many talented people from the industry, and it's going to be a beautiful evening, I think.
Okay, what are you expecting tonight?
A lot of good music and to see many of my friends, many of the people that I work with, and probably many of the people that I'm going to work with.
Okay.
You know, last year हमने आपके ढेरों सारे म्यूजिक वीडियो देखा तो what are your expectation कि अब 2021 स्टार्ट हो गया है तो और क्या कुछ हमें आपके म्यूजिक वीडियो सॉन्ग हमें देखने को मिलेंगे
I feel this 2020, which kept us inside a house, was in fact a very good year for the music because all the artists, all the singers and composers started creating much and much more, and they had more time to introspect and to find resources even deeper. And I think many good songs have come out in this 2020. This year, I feel people will be even more creative and will come with much more beautiful and interesting music videos and songs as well.
So are you
And
performing today
no, I'm not gonna perform today. Maybe next year, who knows?
Ma'am, what kind of music do you like? What kind of music do you like?
I love all kind of music because I feel every artist who composes, who writes music needs appreciation, and it's an effort and it's a way of expressing. So I feel we should all respect everyone who composes music, and of course it's a matter of taste. And I love, of course, love songs much more. They are like more closer to my heart. But if we go for parties, for sure we'll want some dynamic and full of energy songs as well. So it depends on the mood, depends on the occasion. But music is music, and I think it's beautiful. No matter genre, it's music.
And what is the status of your upcoming film, Radha Ki Murli Mein Radha?
Actually, we are just planning it because this year is gonna happen, and we took a break, but in between we shot. Me and Prem Soni, we shot for another movie, which is gonna be released this year. I don't know exactly the date, but very very soon, and it's a very beautiful movie with a good strong message, and I really enjoyed it.
You are also singer, any singing solo program?
Yes, these 2 years I sang so many songs, but they are not released, and because of this pandemic, somehow the songs which were in the movies got stuck there, but there will be at least 4 songs in movies, and there will be some other singers as well that I recorded, and some of them I have to record.
Would you like to sing a few lines of any of your songs?
Okay. song. Will you tell me which one you like?
Your favorite?
If you know any of them? My favorite. Because I just spoke to Vishal Mishra right now. I asked him if he comes for the event. I'm going to sing one of his songs, which is very dear to me, and I was part of the creation of the song as well, so that's Selfish. एक बार baby selfish होके अपने लिए जियो ना एक बार baby selfish होके अपने लिए जियो ना. That's a good advice for everyone, I think. Take care. Bye.